Hi guys, it's Derek. We're back at Hitchcocks and today we're looking at the new Royal Enfield 650 twins. I've got the Interceptor with me. One of the products that we're asked so often about, this is the dual port USB accessory. We've had this adapted in-house where we have made all of the wiring so that it fits straight onto these bikes, and we commissioned a specially made and designed British bracketry to take the USB port. The question that we're always asked about it is, how difficult is this to fit? So let's find out. Okay then, so we've got our bespoke bracketry and we've decided which side we're going to fit it. This can be fitted either side of the bike, right or left. For the purposes of today, I'm going to fit it on the left fork leg. So I've decided it's going to go onto this one there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to offer this up, move this cable slightly aside, offer it up to the fork leg, place it over and just do it up hand tight till it's just gripped. Make sure it's evenly screwed both sides and decide position wise exactly where you want it on there. I tend to put it about an inch down the fork because it just clears all the bolts and cables there. So once that's done, I'm just going to tighten this up. And that's the bracket on the bike. Give it a final tighten once you're happy with the position that it's in. And then you're going to take your USB, your dual ports there, and I'll come around this side to give you a better view. You'll thread that through the bracketry. Once there, it'll go all the way down. You'll take your locking ring, put that on, and screw it up onto the bottom, and basically that's your dual USB port affixed to your fork leg. Undo the screw on the top of the headlamp. You'll pull the headlamp forward. It'll be on the two cables connecting it. Inside here you'll see a yellow cable. It's yellow at the moment. That's what we use, and it's the auxiliary already fitted to the twins. So clip that in. That is then automatically linked to your ignition. It's protected by a 10 amp fuse and your USB's ready to go. Okay, so that's the dual port USB fitted to the 650 Interceptor. But to look at this part and the whole host of accessories that we do for the 650 twins, check the description in the link below. It'll take you to our site. You can have a look at the individual parts there.